Hey guys, I'm Jefferson Graham. Get out your cameras and let's go on a photo walk to historic Union Station in downtown Los Angeles. I'm in front of Union Station in downtown Los Angeles, one of my favorite photo spots, especially for nostalgic, romantic, dramatic photos. Take a look at this wedding portrait I did for a young couple here at the Union Station, where we took advantage of the dramatic lighting, the huge walls, and the overall setting that just screamed classic. It's one of my all-time favorite photos. I'm your guide for today's photo walk. The aim of the channel is to take you to great places in the West, primarily anyway, and to show you how to light up your Instagram with the best photo spots, how, when, and where to take them. Today, it's all about Union Station. Do me a favor, please subscribe, and now, let's go take a photo walk of Union Station. Union Station is the largest railroad passenger terminal in the West, built in the 1930s, and a great example of Art Deco. Over 100,000 passengers pass through here daily en route to Seattle, Chicago, New Orleans, San Diego, and Santa Barbara. Photo-wise, you will find so many great spots here at Union Station. Just let your eyes roam. You will find a lot to zoom in on and go wide. Have fun. Check out the Union Station website before you get here. I love how they have sections on people photography and historical. That's a great place to start. The exterior of Union Station is best at night when it's draped in purple, but for interiors, go for day when there's so much more light to work with. And that's a wrap for our photo walk from historic Union Station in downtown Los Angeles. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please share, please comment, please take a moment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more photo walk videos, including our complete trip to downtown Los Angeles. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks for watching.